Hey, welcome to Shimmer Blast. Today I'm going to show you how to make 10 super cute Christmas crafts for neighborhood gifts or teacher gifts for Christmas. Most of these are very easy to make and they're Christmas gifts that people actually want. I'm going to show you how to make this peppermint candy cane Christmas tree. You need 11 peppermint candy canes. Then we're going to glue 5 of them together for the base. You'll want to turn your glue gun to the cool setting, otherwise these wrappers are so thin it'll just melt right through. A cute little peppermint candy cane Christmas tree. The reindeer is a summer sausage, and the snowman is a cheese spray. This might sound cheesy, but sots that you should know that you are the best neighbors in town. You can change neighbors to the best teacher in town. They both are really great standalone gifts. First, we're going to take our template. Next, I fold it in half so it cuts down on how much work I have to do. You can outline this if you want. So there's your outline of your main piece for your reindeer. Depending what size summer sausage you buy will depend on how big you cut this next piece. Take your summer sausage and tape down the edges. For the little belly part, just hole punch a couple of little dots. And then I just put glue. To make this cute cheese squeeze snowman, I have a square and I'm just going to glue the cardstock around it and tie that on. So now I'm going to glue them on, and then I just take a little red pom-pom for the mistletoe. And there's your snowman and reindeer sausage and cheese whiz. I'm going to show you how to make this cute elf peanut neighborhood gift. First, take a piece of felt, and then you're just going to measure to the size of the peanut jar. Shiny foam that will be the accent piece. For the belt, just take a piece of black felt. And then slide the black felt in through the 2 slits. And then I'm just going to put a strip of hot glue right at the very edge of the triangle. And then I'll glue a red pom-pom. I want him to have some hair. Then we'll just add the accent piece around the top. Okay, these are just adorable. Look how tiny they are. It's Reese's Peanut Butter Cups and Hershey Kiss Santas. They don't require any hot glue or the Cricut, so it's super easy. I use glue dots. You can use hot glue, but it'll melt your chocolate. I just took a pom-pom and I peel the pom-pom apart. And then I'm gonna add the nose, stick the eyes on. For his belt. Santa Reese's Kiss Christmas gift. So cute. We're gonna make this adorable Santa Pringles container for a Christmas gift. First, you're going to take a red Pringles container and then you're just gonna put a line of hot glue. And then we're just gonna start shaping this. Start sticking my torn up pom-poms to this just till I get the kind of the look that I'm going for. So to shape the wire, you're going to use needle nose pliers and then kind of give it a little bit of a bend so it can take shape around the container. Just put a little bit of glue along the top center. So I cut that out and then I'm just going to put a line of hot glue and bend it in on itself. Put a little glue in the crease there and then glue a pom-pom onto the very end. I have this 9-inch strip of black velvet. I'm just going to slide it through here. And I just glue this right under his beard. This festive hollyberry linder tree with the Cricut machine, cut out 2 different colors and 2 different patterns of holly leaves, and then assemble it by putting dabs of hot glue onto the circle. And you can cut this out by hand. You just wouldn't have as much detail. Next, we take the Linder chocolates and we're going to rubber band them together. Then I put hot glue on the end of the wrappers. It just makes a cute, unique, fun gift for Christmas. How to make this beautiful Christmas box treat holder. You can turn the plain template into this lovely sleigh treat container. If you don't have a Cricut, you can just go to a much more simple version. So I'm going to glue it, just putting the glue fairly close to the edge. You can fit 8 to 10 Linder chocolates in here. If you like what you're seeing, give the video a thumbs up. So cute. So I'm just taking it and bending it down over a hardwood box. There's the box main form. I'm going to glue the detail onto the sleigh. You can certainly use a treat bag and set it inside the sleigh, and then whatever it is that you want, dump it in. Here are creative Snowman Mason Jar treat holders. I'll show you how I made this variety of homemade Christmas jars, starting with the most ornate. Use your Cricut to cut disposable vinyl in an intricate snowman design. I started painting around the neck of the jar to give me a clean line. Before the paint is dry though, remove the vinyl with something sharp so that you don't smudge the wet paint. If you wait for this to dry, then as you peel the vinyl off, it might tear your paint off. While waiting for the paint to dry, I moved on to my next jar. Then I paint all over the whole jar, just like I did the first snowman. For this jar, I will add these big black buttons using hot glue. Then to make the hat, I cut a 4-inch circle with this circle cutter. Glue a seam, then carefully put hot glue on the inside of the ring. Make the mistletoe. And then I added plaid fleece around the lid. So the phrase, "We whisk you a Merry Christmas," is used so frequently as a neighborhood Christmas gift, and I loved it, but I felt like I don't like just eating kisses at Christmas, so I wanted to add some Rolos and almond joys, and this is the phrase that I came up with. We whisk you a Merry Christmas and hope this treat makes you roll over with joy of the season. First, cut out a double-layered Christmas tree. Draw an inner Christmas tree to cut out. Glue cellophane to the back of both tree outlines. Trim the excess cellophane off. Then glue both tree outlines together. And then take some green tinsel and take your Whisk and some of the Rolos and Kisses. Then you're going to just glue, seal it at the bottom. Okay, and then just add a little glue to your "We Whisk You a Merry Christmas" and put a star on. There's your cute neighborhood gift in the shape of a tree with a bunch of treats other than just kisses. If you don't want to be as involved with making the felt bag and you just have a piping bag, you can just use this instead and just stuff it with the green tinsel garland. And then I'm going to add the whisk, and then we'll take this gold ribbon, go around, and then I will just put a sticky dot on and add my star. Anyway, it's a bit of fun. It's a little bit involved, but it's super cute. This adorable reindeer sleigh. First, I have these 6 slick candy canes. I'm just gonna glue them onto a little piece of cardstock so that the 2 candy canes can stand up as like a pedestal to hold the ice cream. To make the cute little reindeer, you're just going to take a piece of paper about the same height as your jar that you're covering. And then I just trace it. And then for the eyes, you're just going to make a half circle, little arc. This is Rudolph, so I'm going to give him a red nose. And then I just draw a little mouth, just a line down from the nose, and a little hook, and then a little hook on the other side. Last, I put a dab of glue to connect that to the top of the bottle. And there's your cute little Rudolph, adorable reindeer sleigh neighbor Christmas gift. I have individual videos for each of these crafts. For more details on how to make most of these, check it out in the description. If you want to see more craft or party ideas, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.